Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin now, power off the Xbox and unplug it, then wait about 10 minutes so internal capacitors settle. This reduces shock and data risk. Remove the base ring if present, then use a T10 Torx to back out visible screws. Once done, start at the seam and gently work a plastic pick into the opening. Careful pressure prevents gouging. Make sure to keep screws organized. Label each set so reassembly is straightforward, and move on only when the first edges are free. Once the front edge is loose, continue around the sides systematically. Insert the pick half an inch and pry gently while moving to the next clip. You will hear small clicks as each clip releases. That sound confirms progress without breaking tabs. Slide the top portion backward roughly 5 mm to clear internal tab hooks, then lift enough to access the back cover screws. Throughout, keep all fasteners in a shallow tray and photograph ribbon orientations, so reassembly matches original positions exactly. To finish, remove remaining rear screws and lift the back panel straight up. Do not torque or twist the shell, which can shear plastic mounting points. Pause to inspect and, if visible, disconnect any ground or ribbon cables that tether the panel. Only detach labeled connectors and note their orientation. If the panel resists, double-check for missed screws or clips and apply gentle heat to soften any adhesive. Troubleshooting tip: if clips break or connectors are damaged, stop and seek a replacement part or professional repair to avoid.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.